All right, I'm gonna try a box of Stilton National 2013 Platinum. Bowman Platinum just came out. So I bit the side. Let's get this puppy open. Oh wow, should be fun. Noah Syndergaard. That's kind of a cool card. Courtney Hawkins and C.J. Cron. Lucas Giolito, Howard. There's a Crick out of 399. Polanco, Pirates prospect. There's Waka. Another Chase Headley. Oh, that's kind of cool. Yankees catching prospect. C.J. Cron out of 199. That's kind of cool. Cingrani rookie. Adam Eaton. There's David Dahl. Matt Barnes, the Boston prospect. There's Nick Franklin. Nolan Arenado, top prospects. There's Yasiel Puig's in this, so we'll just have to see. Okay. Nate Roberts autograph? Never heard of him. Guessing that's not the best hit. Nate Roberts. I think you get one gold too, so. There's a Jose Fernandez rookie. There's Lindor. He's probably out for the year. Joe Ross, never heard of him. Jonathan Singleton. Sitting 200 in AAA. Oh, Joe Panic at the Disco. Patch auto out of 199. Hey, Denny Hitcheveria. There's a Will Myers. That's a cool card. Mason Williams. I think they used this picture for his 2011 Bowman too. Max Fried. I don't know how to say it. There's a Skaggsy. Huh. It's been a pretty cold run here. There's our third one. That's kind of cool. C.J. Edwards. It's almost like a some type of die cut. Diamond in the rough. He's pitching good. I think he's an A. But sticker autograph, but it's still nice. Well, that might be all the hits. Oh, at the top of the box too. Maybe we can get a Puig or something. That's cool. Profar die cut. And a Posey reprint. Michael Choice. It's George Springer. Lewis Brinson. Tulowitzki. He just got called up. Jake Marisnik. He's playing center field for them. There's Oscar. That's cool. Hey, got a Yazzie. It's a die cut. I don't think that's an SP, but still a nice hit. And hey, got another Yazzie. 2 Yazzies in 2 packs. I had a feeling I was going to hit it. When I hit it, I was going to hit it big. Diamond in the Rough insert. Jorge Polanco. This stuff's fun. Even though my hits were a little lackluster. Jed Geikro. There's Marcel. He's out for the year with a wrist. Delano DeShields Jr. There he is. Mr. 210 and A-ball himself. Mike Olt. It's just kind of a cool looking card. A couple more. I think 20 packs? Not sure. DJ Davis. I have a friend who looks just like him. Crazy. And Dorsey's Paulino. Okay. Quick recap. Got a Yasiel Puig base rookie. Got the Diamond in the Rough die cut. CJ Edwards Diamond in the Rough out of 100. Joe Panic. Don't know anything about him, but it's a jersey auto out of 199. And Nate Roberts, Twins player. Never heard of him either. So that's it for this box. Thanks a lot.